There are lots of new blogging AI tools. I think this is by far the best one, so I thought I'd share it with you. It has professional articles every time. It auto posts to your blog if you want it to, makes life super simple and easy. If you're looking to grow your business with AI blogs, check this out. So all I have to do with this, and I'll put the link in the description below. There's a few of these, so make sure you pick the right one. Just go into generate articles, and it's got a whole bunch of tools. So check out my other videos too. But I'm just going to put my business URL. I've been trying to know for anybody who's checked this out. I've been using this to promote my new easy website builder for small businesses, Mighty Sites. I've been blown away with the results. And all I'm going to do is go in and paste that. And then I have this little thing I wrote here for my two businesses. So this is the one for Mighty Sites that I use in Journalist. And I'm just going to paste that in here. Mighty Sites is the easiest website generator for local businesses. I was doing generator, so I'll just put website builder, just play around with the words. I'm going to put build a simple website, perfect for who it's perfect for. Great. Okay, cool. Generate. I'm just going to do generate one article just for to show you how this works. Simple mode. That's it. And now I click generate and it's going to generate a blog. I can't wait to show you how professional this blog is. And there we go. That's it. It just put together this blog. Super awesome. It pulled in an image for me too. I could just switch this out. It's just pulling in images from the web. It's got a nice table of contents. Why Mighty Sites is the best website builder for small local businesses. I like literally perfect. That's exactly what I'm trying to aim for. And then it's got a nice table of contents here, overview, ease of use, customization options, SEO. Here's the overview, the features of Mighty Sites, the benefits, ease of use, customization options. It has some outbound link back to Mighty Sites. That's kind of my call to action. Here you go. So that goes right back to my business website because I'm posting this to my personal blog. And now post to integration. This is all I have to do is just click here on post to integration. And I'll show you. I'll jump right over to my blog and go to the post. And then here it is. It just posted to my WordPress. It was super easy to set this up. So now I just go into edit. And if I want to, I can just use my Yoast tools to make improvements. So you see the readability is already good. Let's just say best website builder for small local business, right? So best website builder, small local business. So you can see the readability is already good and the SEO is okay. That's all I need. I can go through and use the Yoast tools to further clean it up if I want, or I can just let it publish. I'll just, put in a little read more tag here and update it, and I'm good to go. That's how quick and easy it is to create blog articles that are super professional and well written about your business using Journalist AI. Put the link in the description below. Check out the free trial if you're serious about growing your business. I think this is the very best AI blogging tool that's on the market today.